Welcome back to my channel YouTube. My name is Dennis Anthony, and I'm going to give you some information what I wish I knew when I first started affiliate marketing. Okay, so first things first, what I really want to get into is that I want you to throw away everything that you think you know about starting a business online. That's things like you're going to get rich quick. You're going to make $1 million overnight. I want to quit my job tomorrow. Okay, it's not that easy. Okay, it's really not that easy. If it was that easy, then everybody would be jumping into this business. Okay, but unfortunately, it's not. So, what I really wish that I knew when I first started was that I wish I didn't pay attention to any of that, because when I first got started online, I said, okay, I'm going to throw up a website, or I'm going to become an affiliate, or I'm going to do this, I'm going to sell that, and I'm going to wake up, I'm going to go to sleep, and I'm going to wake up tomorrow, I'm going to be rich. Okay, well, it didn't happen. It didn't happen that way, and it doesn't happen that way for a lot. So I would say about 98% of affiliate marketers, when they first start out, fail because they're looking for success either overnight or they're looking for success in 30 days. Sometimes that doesn't happen. Now, I'm not saying that it can't happen, but definitely it's not too likely. Okay, so here's some of the things that a lot of people do when they're starting out with affiliate marketing. They pay for solo ads. They pay for advertisements on Facebook, YouTube ads, and they send it directly to their affiliate link or directly to their affiliate offer, or whatever it is that they're selling. Okay. The only problem with that is, yes, you might make some sales. However, let's say, for example, I'm getting a $47 commission, and I send 3 sales. Okay, so you're looking at around $130. The only problem with that is because you don't own the website or the product that you're selling, you just lost that customer. Okay, so what you need to do is set up your business so that you can capture emails, that you can capture an audience, that you can build a target, a group of people, and promote to them, offer them value, offer them information later on down the road. Okay, so what you would really want to do is either set up some kind of funnel or some kind of website where you have your own autoresponder on there, where you're able to give something out. Excuse me. Give something out and collect their email address. What you want to do is that there's three major social platforms that I would get started on today if I was to do it all over. That's YouTube, okay? That is Facebook, and that is Instagram. Okay, but the problem is that you might hear so much information about, oh, join Instagram, join Facebook, start making YouTube videos. And then your mind is going 100 miles an hour, and you have a Facebook account, you have an Instagram account, you have a YouTube, and everything is half complete. Master one, start making sales off of one, start building an audience, start building an email list off of one, and then move to the next platform. Okay? Now, the beauty about free traffic or putting in the work, which a lot of people don't want to do, and that's what it comes down to, is putting in the work. If you don't put in the work, you're not going to make any sales. That I'm just going to be completely honest with you. But if you put in the work, you have to look at the internet as like a big open real estate. The more places that you put out your free content, the more pieces of real estate on the internet that you're going to have. Okay, so you might not make sales in the first 24 hours or in the first 30 days, but in 60 days, in 90 days, it's going to compile, and then you're going to start to generate income on a daily basis, or big months, or for whatever it is that you're selling. Okay, so master one. Instead of being so spread out, I would pick a niche. Obviously, here we go. You want to pick a niche, pick a category, a topic, something that you're interested in. Okay, something that you are interested in, that you're going to be able to provide value to. Select a product and pick a platform that you're going to start to promote on. Okay, so let's say you want to start off on Facebook. When you start off on Facebook, you want to join as many groups in that niche as you can. You want to make as many connections and build relationships with as many people as you can. Okay, you want to add them all to your personal profile on Facebook as well. So instead of just spamming your link at them, you're going to want to give them value, give them content, answer their questions, do those type of things, so you build that trust, you build that rapport with them. Once you do that, then you're able to sell them your offer at a later time. Okay, like I said, don't get caught up in making sales today, tomorrow, in a week. focus on putting in the work, actually building a business, okay? And then pick one social platform that you're gonna work off of and master that one first. Learn how to build traffic, learn how to build engagement, learn what your market wants, what are their pain points, what are their questions, what is it that they need, what is it that they want to know more than they want their money in their pocket. That's the way you have to look at it. Everybody wants to know something more than the money that they have in their pocket. If I have $25 in my pocket and I really want it's 110 degrees and I really want an ice cream, I'm gonna spend all this $25 on an ice cream because that's my pain point. Okay, so if that sort of makes sense. Once you start to do that continuously, instead of just like, for example, we're using Facebook, instead of just sending them to your affiliate offer, you're going to want to send them to a landing page or a squeeze page or some kind of funnel where you can collect those emails and build your rapport with them ongoing. Okay, down in the description I'm gonna list a few tools that I'm using in my business right now. One of them is ClickFunnels. Great product. I'm able to build as many funnels as I want with the plan that I have, and you don't need to learn how to build websites. You don't need to have a bunch of technical computer skills or whatnot. I'm a salesman. I know how to sell. I don't know how to program. I don't know how to build softwares. But with ClickFunnels, it's an amazing product. It's able to get my landing page up, send those people over to my offer. I can put it together probably like 15 minutes. So that's why it's beneficial to me. So every time I have a new idea, every time I'm looking to promote a new product, I'm able to go over to my ClickFunnels. I'm able to build a funnel, whether it be a 2-step funnel or a 3-step funnel, and I'm able to get that going in 15, 20 minutes. Okay, I'm going to be making more videos going a little bit more in depth as far as soon as we're on Facebook now, how are we going to actually build that engagement? How are we actually going to get followers? Okay, that'll probably be in a couple of videos coming up. But until next time, check the links in my description, hit that like button, subscribe, and I'll be dropping content on the daily. So I'm looking to do at least 1 to 2 videos a day, and we're just going to keep on going from there. So until then, hustle until they hit.